One easy way to make paint colors is to mix paints you already have. Start with the 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Combine the colors on a plate or palette with a brush or a paint knife. Experiment with mixing different combinations, such as blue and yellow to make green, or red and yellow to make orange. You can always adjust how much of each color you add to change the hue. For example, to make bluish purple, mix red and blue, but use more blue. To make a color lighter or darker, add a bit of white or black paint. You can also mix in gray if you want a less intense tone. Once you've mixed your colors, store them in airtight containers so they don't dry out.